Hello, my name is Joan Pugh. I'm with First Financial Federal Credit Union, the credit union for Baltimore County Public School. And if you are watching this video, that probably means that you are a new employee of BCPS. So congratulations. Very excited to welcome you to Team BCPS, talk to you about one of your options for your benefits, First Financial membership. So I'm going to have a presentation for you. Before I start, I want to say thank you. Thank you for choosing to work for the school system. Thank you for choosing to serve our community in this way. The work you do is really important. Transporting, feeding, educating, looking after social emotional needs, taking care of physical facilities, all extremely important work. So very glad to have you joining us. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is me, again, Joan Pugh. I'm the Relationship Marketing Manager. What does that mean? What do I do? Well, I facilitate the relationship between the two organizations, the credit union and the school system. I help folks like you who are new employees or existing employees of the school system navigate the credit union. But I also look to the schools to see how can credit union resources help, because that is really what we're all about. That is my email, jpugh@firstfinancial.org. Please reach out to me if you think I could be of any help to you at all, or you have any questions. I would encourage you to email. It's just a little easier. I'm not at my desk very often. So what is a credit union? Well, a credit union is a financial institution. There are other financial institutions in the world, like banks, but there's some very specific characteristics of credit unions. The most important one is who owns the credit union. Well, we have members. People with accounts at the credit union own the credit union. We don't have customers, we have members, and that makes a big difference in everything that we do. Because we're for people, not profit. Banks are set up for profit. We are service driven. Banks are set up to be profit driven. We're both federally insured. We'd say that credit unions are a little more exclusive club. Not everybody can be a member of a credit union. You all can. And so we would love to encourage you to join us. The other thing that's really important to share here is that First Financial and credit unions in general are fiduciaries. What's a fiduciary? Well, that means by policy, by procedure, by product, we're never ever going to put a member into a product that benefits us and does not benefit the member. So the member always comes first. If you go into a car dealership and they say, sure, we'd love to sell you that car, the interest rate on that loan is going to be 28%. Guess what? They're not a fiduciary. We are. And so we're always looking out for you. And we serve our community. So we do lending, but we have financial education resources. We have accounts for your kids, even your young children. We have great products, great checking account, business accounts. We're always going to put the community first. I'm going to encourage you to go to our website, click the community page, and you can see some of our initiatives. So we serve 21,000 members of Team BCPS. So that's folks like you who work for the school system, but it's also students and their families and your family. In 1953, Matthew Tress, who was a Baltimore County school teacher, put $5 in a cigar box. That's how we were born. Lots have changed since then, but the school system is still the heart of the credit union. 32% of our members are Team BCPS. And we do serve the school system, lots and lots of ways that we partner. And again, you can see some more details on our website. Okay, so what's in it for you? Why would you want to be a member of the credit union? Well, we would say that there are 4 legs to that credit union table: banking, borrowing, access, and learning. So let's talk about banking first. Everybody at First Financial has a savings account with at least $5 in it. That's your membership. Totally free account. There is no annual fee. There's no service fee to maintain the account. The accounts are all federally insured. But we have lots of other things besides savings accounts. We have checking accounts and money markets and IRAs and HSA accounts and accounts for your kids. Lots and lots of ways to serve you. Well, how does the money get into these accounts from your paycheck? Well, 2 ways. One is payroll deduction and the other is direct deposit. Payroll deduction is one of those things that's been around for a long time, and it's because it's such a good idea. Payroll deduction is a dollar amount that comes out of your paycheck before your direct deposit hits. You get to choose the amount. I have folks who payroll deduct $5 a pay, $50 a pay, $500 a pay. You choose the amount and you can change the amount. That money goes automatically into your savings account. We are the only financial institution that BCPS will payroll deduct to. They'll direct deposit anywhere that you want to have it. Direct deposit, of course, is whatever's left over after all of your deductions come out that goes to your checking account. But BCPS will not split a direct deposit. You can direct deposit anywhere and still payroll deduct with us. So if you've had an account at, I'm going to say Navy Federal Credit Union for a long time and you love them, continue to direct deposit with them, but think about doing some payroll deduction with us. You have the options. Having said all that, if you would like to direct deposit with us, we would love to take your direct deposit and we will reward you should you choose to do that. Borrowing. We do lots and lots of lending. So we have car loans and mortgages and credit cards and personal loans. Whereas I would never ever say that we can lend to everyone. That's not true. We cannot. We do lend purposefully across the credit spectrum. What does that mean? Well, if you have AA plus fantastic credit, everybody wants to lend to you. So do we. But we know that's not our membership. Our membership is much more diverse than that. Remember, we're a fiduciary. We're here to serve our membership. So we lend to AA plus folks, but also B and C and D and E credit folks as we're able. And again, that's because that's what we're called to do. Lots and lots of ways to help you. And we're going to talk in a minute about how setting this account up now gets you all ready when you do need to bank that car loan, or you do need a personal loan, or you're looking at a credit card. Access. Lots and lots of ways for you to access information about your account. The best is our mobile app. It's fantastic. You can make a deposit. You can check your accounts. You can transfer money. You can set up your digital wallet. We even have a way that you can check your credit score using the mobile app. You can do e-alerts. And again, all this is secure and it's totally free. And learning. So we have lots and lots of resources for you as you learn more about money. The more you know about your money, the more money you're going to have, truthfully. So we have online resources. We hold webinars. We could even come into your classroom and talk to your students about financial wellness. And summer pay. So some of you may be 10-month staff that are TABCO representative who have already chosen to take advantage of the BCPS 12-month pay option. That's totally fine. That's great. But some of you may not have that option available to you, or you want to do your savings for summertime a different way, or you want to supplement that. We have a program called Summer Pay. It's a way for you to take some money out of your paycheck now through payroll deduction and put it aside for the summer. It's your money. You can get it anytime you need it. You're going to get paid interest on that money, and you get to choose the amount. If this is something that is interesting to you or you need more information about, I'm going to encourage you to go to the website, or you can reach out to me. All right, so this is the good part, right? So we want you to be a member of First Financial. And remember, I said that this was a time to do it because you're going to get busy. It's going to get crazy, right? And so set up the credit union account and then it's there for you when you need it. So we're going to reward you to do that today. So if you go to firstfinancial.org/open, we have a dedicated portal just for you. It's titled BCPS New Employee Onboarding. Super, super easy. Put in the promo code PROMO25, and we're going to make a $25 deposit in your new account. Blatant bribe. That's okay. That's what we're here for. We want to serve you, and we want you to be members of First Financial. So again, this is super easy way to join the credit union. So I want to welcome you to BCPS. As I said, the work you're doing is really, really important. We want to support you. We want to make credit union membership a part of your life. And again, we'll reward you when you open that account. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Again, this is my contact information. I can answer any questions, or you can call our main number and talk to someone in member services. So again, welcome to Team BCPS, and we thank you very much. See you at orientation.